Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this ancient civilization outfit in Trust and Trust without VIP. Okay, let's get inside guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm using to create this outfit. Okay, start from the hair. You can combine this hairstyle and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then for the hat, you're going to choose this for hat, and you're going to make it this pattern and combine it with this hat, and again you're going to apply this pattern. And then for the jacket, you can choose this one and you're going to apply this pattern, and then you're going to choose this item and make it this color for this item, this one guys. Okay, and then you're going to apply this item and make it this color, and then you can choose this bag and also this axe. Okay, you're going to color it with the dark color, the dark brown color, and select the sleeves. And for the sleeves, you're going to apply this dark brown color, and this skirt, make it this color, and this fur, you're going to apply this pattern for this fur, and this boots, you're going to make it this dark brown color. Okay, and then you're going to choose this jeans, make it this color, and change the material to denim. In this one, you're going to apply this pattern, and then you can combine it with this one. Actually, you can mix and match the pattern. Okay, and I think I have already mentioned all the items, and you just need to choose all these items guys to create this outfit. Okay, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this ancient civilization outfit in Trust and Trust without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.